So I guess this will be stable enough. I actually cannot move back further without losing all these bolts and then hoping to just slide it a bit extra. It's of course just the normal table that you can use to use on the mill, on the lathe normally. So I'm still thinking about how to make it a bit bigger, maybe move it here somewhere, but I have to think about how to make that end stable, because it's not easy to machine lots of stable materials, at least not for me, so without machines. So I really have to think about how and when I will do that. I will probably do it at some time, just move it here or something like that, so I can go lower also and still be stable. But I probably cannot use this one for that, so I will probably use another cross table and make it strong. So if you have a good suggestion or an example how you did it, then you're very welcome to show how to do that, to convert this in a pretty bit more usable machine, as a mill of course.